Hi everybody, Andrew Mitchem here, the Forex Trading Coach. Today is Saturday the 2nd of March. Welcome along to another weekly video. Well, we've had a really interesting week this week. Yesterday I suggested 5 trades to my clients on the daily charts. Woke up this morning my time and 3 of them had hit full profit. They were the Euro US dollar, the US dollar Swiss franc and the Australian dollar Swiss franc. I got stopped out on the Euro British pound due to a lot of weakness in the British pound that was slightly unexpected. And the US Canadian, I had a buy trade on that, and I have got some profit out of the trade, but not full profit. But I've closed it before the close of the trading week. One thing that was really pleasing, the Euro US dollar moved around about 130 pips yesterday. I had a profit target of 129.80, 1.2980. The price went down to around the 129.65 target, so we had full profit and exited the trade with only around 15 pips left on the table. So that was just a fantastic trade to take, and full profit out of the trade and close for the week. You may have noticed on the Forex Peace Army site I've been posting my daily strengths and weaknesses analysis, and those 5 trades were favoured in terms of which direction we were looking for the currencies to head yesterday. If you are following those, please do remember that those analysis that I put on the Forex Peace Army site are not specific trades. It's really important for you to understand that, because some people are looking at specific trades. They're not that. They're a guideline to say, using your own strategy, this is where I'm looking for the main trend to head today. So for example, with the Euro US dollar, if you see any short positions using your own strategy, and I was looking for short positions on the Euro US dollar, then you would be looking at taking those short opportunities when they arise, and probably ignoring most of the buy opportunities, because the overall strength or weakness for that currency pair was to head down for the day. So I hope that's cleared that up. Elsewhere, we have seen a sell-off in the British pound, and I would be expecting probably the euro and the British pound, probably against a lot of other currencies, so against the US especially, to continue to fall into next week. Gold and silver both continued to fall, as I mentioned last week, so a big sell-off on those for about the last 3 weeks or more. Elsewhere, one thing that I've mentioned to a lot of people this week is to keep your risk per trade very low. It's a really important thing. It helps you with the psychology of your trading, with your emotions in your trading. It just means that you have some control over your account. With Forex, remember that it is a longer term project. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. If you treat it like that, it will get you, and it will blow your account, almost certainly. So treat it as a business, treat it as very low risk. Personally, I look at 1/4 to 1/2 of 1% risk on my account per trade. So it's very, very low. I'll give you an example. Yesterday I took 4 positions on the 4-hourly charts, last night my time. All 4 of them worked, but I took 1/4 of 1% risk on each of them. So I ended up making some really good profit. I made just over 2% return on those. But if those 4 had all gone wrong, I know that the maximum I would have lost on all 4 going wrong would have been just 1% of my account. So I can put the positions on without any fear, knowing that I've got very, very small risk per trade. So it's a really important point that a lot of people fail to understand. If you need to know more about that, make sure you download my free lot size calculator available on my website. It's a fantastic tool, and people that use it just absolutely love it. So that's all for this week. Hope you have a great weekend, and I look forward to talking to you this time next week.